typical American dream middle class, I guess you'd say. But go out, grab my gun, fucking cocked it like this, went outside, and then it wasn't any of my roommates or my car alarms going off. It was the fucking neighbor next door over there. And instead of saying, oh, dude, thank God, I said, damn it. I was like, dang it. Because you know why? Because I've always, for some reason, even though I'm a Christian, I've always wanted to shoot a motherfucker in the leg. Just